Hey guys, so I have the Dossier Oriental Cherry. They sent me two. I have Oriental Cherry and I chose Tom Ford. It's supposed to be like Soleil Blanc. I'm gonna also show it in this video. But this one is my favorite. I have a sample of the real Tom Ford Lost Cherry and I am absolutely obsessed. And it smells just like it. It lasts just as long. And you guys, like, let me tell you, you put this on and you be smelling like you rich like all day. I'm not even gonna lie. Like people gonna stop you and ask you what you got on. I have the Tom Ford Bitter Peach, the authentic one, and you guys, you mix these two together, it's like you're gonna be smelling like a dream, ladies. Like your man is not gonna wanna get off of you with these. Like, trust me, you need it. So the top notes are cherry, almond, cinnamon. The middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. And the base notes are Peru balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla, or like my little girl say, vanilla. And y'all, I'll just spray this. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm spraying all over in my hair, everything. Like, you know. It smells so good. I definitely recommend trying out Dossier. I love them. I'm gonna let's skip now so I can show you guys the packaging and how it comes and their system and how it works. So yeah, I hope you guys try it because it's amazing.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one side. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me?
Hey guys, it's been so long. Hold on, let me fix this. Oh my god, it's been so freaking long since I've done a video, like mad long. So I decided I was gonna do a vlog type video today. Me and my boyfriend are in Old Town, Alex. We in Virginia. He is here watching his friends like they was doing, like he's a cyclist, so his friends was like cycling and stuff, like doing a race. So he was here, he wanted to see them race and support them and stuff. So he asked me if I wanted to go. So yeah, Sophia's back at home with my mom and her aunt. Thank God for them. So yeah, I'm sorry to keep fixing myself. I just haven't been on camera like mad long, so I'm like super nervous. But yeah, we've been here for a minute. I mean, just to Friday. Today is Saturday. We're gonna leave tomorrow. And Sophia has a play date with her friend at Sky Zone, so she's like super hyped for that. She kept calling me today, so she wanted me to find her LOL shirt so she can wear. Her and her friend's supposed to match their LOL shirts tomorrow at Sky Zone. So I went and got that. And I also went to Sephora, so I wanted to show you guys what I got, y'all. Spent so much money at Sephora, I'm not even gonna say it. But because this is Sephora right up the street. We're like right on the street where like everything is. So it's pretty cool. Like I'm hungry right now and I really want a slice of pizza so I could walk downstairs to go. But he just left to like go to his friend's birthday at like a wine bar. I was gonna go, but it's just gonna be all guys and I don't want to be the only girl there. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'll stay here, you know. So yeah, we're in a hotel, just a basic hotel room. It's nice and roomy and it's clean and it's good. So a quick life update. Y'all, nothing has really been going on with me at all. And Sophia, we've just been working, school, you know, trying to get through COVID. We did get COVID. Was it earlier last year we got COVID, which was crazy. I never thought we was going to get COVID. No, we got COVID during Christmas. It was like Christmas we got COVID. So I didn't even we didn't even think it was gonna happen, but all of a sudden like everybody just got sick so bad. So I had to take Sophia to get a COVID test and hers came back positive. So then I took one too. Mine came back positive. So we just knew everybody in the house had COVID. So I gave it to my boyfriend, even though he in denial that he didn't have COVID. He had COVID because he had like the worst headache. This is my huge bag. My receipt is somewhere in here. So first, I'm just gonna pull from the top to show y'all. It's a big haul. So I got the Sol Janeiro. Well, this is the Black Amber, Plum, and Vanilla Woods. Yeah, I was like, we smelled it and it smelled like really, really good. I sprayed it on myself too, and it smelled good. I like this one better than the Brazilian Bum Bum. I am not a fan of the scent of the Brazilian Bum Bum, and I feel like I'm the only one who, you know, feels like that. I'm just not a fan of the original scent. This one I really, really like, and I think they came out with another one recently, but I really like this one. This one smells really good to me. All right, so next I got these First Aid Beauty ingrown hair pads. These were like $28, and I saw these. Is it gonna focus? Does it focus? Anyway, I got the KP First Aid Beauty ingrown hairs. I wanted to try this. I just saw this the other day on Sephora website, so I was like, I'm gonna give this a try. Next, I got the First Aid Beauty KP Body Bump body scrub. Y'all, this is where it's at. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want like super smooth skin and your body just to be like flawless, this is where it's at. And if you want your man to like touch your leg or something, like, oh girl, you got soft skin, I'm telling you, this is what does it. This is it. And I got these two little hand creams. I just got these to put in my purse because I don't have any hand creams, and these are just the Sephora brand. I think this one is what flavor is this? Mango butter and almond milk, and they were like $5 a piece, so really cheap, really inexpensive. So I just got two of those. This is my favorite cleanser. This is the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. If you have acne or anything like that, this cleans it up. Is the new size, because the other size is smaller. I can't remember how much, but this is like $49 now, and this is the value size, y'all. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, like bitch, I'm telling you, this will have your skin. Then I got the Sephora from the Sephora collection. This is just their brightening eye cream. I wanted to try this. It was like $17. I didn't really want to spend $40 on an eye cream, to be honest, because I feel like all eye creams, like, it's just an eye cream. I just like a basic eye cream that brightens, so that's what this one is. Next, I got this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I bought this just to use for like after I take my makeup off, because I don't use like a cleansing oil anymore to take off my makeup. I just strictly use like the makeup eraser thing. I just use those to take my makeup off. It just works better for me that way, and then I will go in with a cleanser like this, and this will just clean up the rest of it. So this is the Pharmacy Clean Bee. It is really nice and gentle on the skin. I'm not sure. I think this is like $30 or so. Then I got this Patrick Star One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I had this in the mini size, so I saw they had the bigger size, and this is like $30. So I wanted to try it, well, get the bigger size, because the mini size actually worked really well for me. Next, I got this Ula Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. So I got this because normally I use his walnut scrub, but it's like, I don't know if it's discontinued or what, like you cannot find it in nowhere on his website or in Sephora. So my sister had this at one point, and I've tried it, like I see it from her, and it's actually really, really good. So I just thought to get this one instead, because like I need a scrub. Like, scrubs on my face is like a must. So next, I got this Murad Clarifying Toner. I haven't tried this toner before, honestly, so I wanted to try it. I've used like the Ula, the Glow H2O lotion, and I've used the Pharmacy Clean Sweep, but I wanted to try something else, and since this is still part of the acne clarifying line, I was like, let me try this to see what's up. So next is this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I found this at Marshall's, the blue one. So I've been using it, and I love it. After I do all my skincare and stuff, I put this on my face, and it is a dream, y'all. Like, this is so good. So I wanted to try the water sleeping mask and the lavender scent, because I just had the regular blue one, and I don't think that's having scent. So I wanted to try the lavender one. Matter of fact, let me smell it. It actually smells like lavender. Lavender is like my favorite thing. Next, I got the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream. I wanted to try her creams. I only got one, and I wanted to get the other one too, but I just got the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb Cream. So I'm gonna put this on, and let's see what it's like, because I like the way it's swatched. Ooh, damn. So I got the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and I wanted to try this one. I only got one. I should have got like the gummy bear one and stuff like that, but I didn't. So I just got this one. Next, I got this Makeup Forever Mattifying Matte Velvet Skin. So this is fire, y'all. I had this, and it broke in my purse, bitch. I was so fucking mad. So I had to get another one. So this is what it looks like, and it's in a tin like this. It comes with this little sponge that's in here, and you can use this side or this side to put it on. I have used this. Oh shit, I don't put a gash in it. I have used the sponge, like if I'm just touching up, if I'm at work or something like that. It's this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Serum. Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Serum. Next, I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting moisturizer. So this is new, and I wanted to try this for like a daily moisturizer. I do wash my face twice a day, so I wanted to you know, have a day moisturizer and a night moisturizer. This is life. If you have not tried these Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Pill Pads, like, you have to try this, okay? They do have a pack that's like $5, like, I'm sorry, it's like $25, and you get 5 in a pack. So 5 days, use this every single day, and it's a 2-step, and will save, like, it will change your skin dramatically. Like, you will, oh my god, your skin will be just flawless. Acne, dark spots, anything, flawless. I'm telling you. This I wanted to try. So this is one like what the face pads is, but for your body. So they have a bigger pack that's like $58. You can only get 5. So I decided to get this one. This is 16 and you get 2. I mean, yeah, $16 and you get 2. So I wanted to try it out because I haven't used it before. So I just feel like it maybe will help with like my strawberry legs, you know. All right, y'all, so that's it for this haul. But I'm gonna vlog when we go to the little putt-putt, if we get something to eat, you know. So I'm waiting for him to come back now. I'm like, where the hell is he at? I'm ready to go. Like, I'm hungry. All right, so this is the room. It's messy. Those are his clothes and my jacket. And my jacket when I came. So here it is. This bench was like under here, and then yes, the TV and stuff. We're messy. When you get in a hotel, bitch, you just messy, you know. And this is the bed, and this because I was just doing stuff. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. We are in the Hilton, you know, basic ass hotel. The bathroom is a mess. The bathroom is a mess. This is my side. That's his side. Look at my side. You know, I have to have everything. I have to have everything together. Shower. Yeah, that's it, y'all. So just waiting for him to come back. Hopefully he comes back soon. Look, it's so pretty out here. Let me show you how pretty it is. This is the view outside of the room. So we didn't get to go putt-putt yesterday because we couldn't find no type of parking. So that's why y'all ain't seeing this the next day. So we about to go to get some brunch. What time is it? 12 o'clock. We're gonna get some brunch so we can get back to Sophia and get her some, well, what's she doing? Might get her something. Going on her play date to Sky Zone. So the place is called Black Wedge, and is this still considered Old Town?